Hello and welcome back, or indeed welcome to In the Kitchen with Pen if it's your first time here. And today I'm having a chicken burger for dinner, and I've got my chicken breast and I'm going to dry it off, and I'm going to put it just some smoked paprika, and then I'm going to cook it, season it with smoked paprika, sorry, let's make it quite clear. It's going to go into a roll with some salad leaves, but what I'm also going to do is I'm going to make a quick sweet corn relish, and my sweet corn relish uses 3 ingredients plus of course seasoning of salt and pepper. So if you come on over, you can see just how easy this is to make. Right then, sweet corn relish. So I've got some sweet corn here that I shucked and I have cooked, and it was just one ear of corn, and there you go, that's it. Cooked it, strained it, cooled it, that's it, sweet corn. To that I've got one quite finely chopped spring onion, and I shall just mix these together, and then I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Oops, most of it went in the bowl, and some sweet chilli sauce. So sweet chilli sauce, boom. And that's my binder. Put in as much or as little sweet chilli sauce as you'd like. I'm going to put in a little bit more. That's that done. I'm just going to have a little taste. Want to get some of everything. So sweet corn, onions and sweet chilli. No, that's about right on the chicken. That'll be perfect. So I'm putting that to one side. Next time you see this, it will be on my cooked and ready to serve burger. Right then, our burger is ready. I've got it with some salad leaves and bits and bobs of salad. I've got some of the relish on top and plenty underneath. Hang on, try and lift it. There we go. All I did with the chicken breast was I battered it out a little bit, and then I put some flour on the plate, added some sweet smoked paprika and just dipped both sides. Then I fried in a little oil. So we want to know, well, I want to know how it all tastes, but I'm sure you want to know, how does the relish actually taste? Does it go? What does it look like? Well, there you go, beautifully cooked chicken. That's what it looks like. And now I'm going to take a very messy bite. Oh gosh. I shouldn't do this on camera, you know. It's not very ladylike. Right, the chicken is superb. I've got a little lettuce, a little onion in there, and just a little bit of Kewpie mayo on the bottom, just to make the lettuce stick actually. Right, let's see if I can get some of the chicken and some of the relish. Oh, See that? Make it. It's damn delicious. The oh, goes perfectly with this chicken burger. So, oh, lovely. A bit hot, but I love it. Thank you for watching this episode of In the Kitchen with Pen, with her sweet corn relish that goes perfectly with homemade chicken burgers. And I'll see you again next time in the kitchen with Pen. Bye for now.